Hey everyone, and welcome back. Now today I wanted to talk a little bit more about Solana. And if you enjoy the information in this video, please do go ahead and give me a like and subscribe. It really does help me out. Now let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, so as you can see here, I've got the Solana USD chart up. And what we can see, I've already drawn out some trend lines here to show, we're starting to see price consolidate a little bit. And usually what that means is as price starts to consolidate, we'll either see a breakout one direction or the other. This to me is kind of looking like it might be a bull flag, so we could see a breakout. However, when there is a point of consolidation like this, anything can happen, right? Nobody knows for sure what direction that the market's going to go. We have seen wicks testing both directions. I will say the wicks have been stronger to the downside, which could mean that maybe there's potentially more sell pressure in this zone, but it also could mean there's a lot more support in this zone since things get wicked up so much faster. Where to the upside, we haven't really seen so much momentum moving through these trend lines so far. So that could be something where in the future we could see, if we start to see some momentum through this, it could break and it could move really quickly. So this is something I just wanted to point out because we can see that things are starting to consolidate a little bit. It looks like we may have, potentially a couple more months of this type of consolidation. It's really hard to know for sure, but at least where we're at right now, it does look like we're sitting kind of in the middle of the channel that we've seen so far. Probably we have at least a little bit more time of kind of watching and waiting to see. It could come back down and bounce off this trend line. It could move up from where we're at, kind of hit this trend line, come back down. We don't know. There's a lot of different possibilities of what we could see here. Next, I want to go over the Solana ETH chart. Now, I've brought this up a couple times before on the channel, and the reason why is because I think it's important to see, essentially over time, we're seeing that Solana continues to get stronger and stronger against Ethereum, which I think given kind of what's happened in the recent past, we probably have a good idea as to why, and that's what I want to talk a little bit more about in my videos today, which is meme coins. A lot of the more dramatic recent price action that we've seen has all been in meme coins in the mid to late March, April timeframe. Essentially all of the huge money that was being made within meme coins. And also those meme coins happen to be on Solana. Solana has been in a pretty consistent uptrend. And I think part of the reason for that is because of meme coins. Now, one of the things I want to take a look at next is an overall glimpse of the total meme coin market. So what I've been seeing lately is it seems to me that there could be this possibility where the meme coin market essentially starts to move to Solana. Solana has started to see a lot of volume on meme coins, and most of the meme coins that have done well over the past year or so have been pretty much exclusively on Solana. I have a couple charts here from CoinMarketCap that kind of explain this a little bit. I'll go over a couple of them right now. So what we can see right here is the top coins performance. So this is something where we can see essentially kind of the largest, I think this is the top 10 meme coins. We can see how they've done over the past year. So if we look at right now, the most recent price updates that we've seen is essentially appreciation over the past year. All of the top 3 are Solana and 4 of the top 5 are on Solana. So, now whether we think this is coincidence or not, that's up to you to make on your own decision. But this is something that I think is, in my opinion, does not seem to be a coincidence. Solana has seemed to have attracted a lot of the attention from people who like to trade meme coins. And it's something that I think it seemed to kind of catch on pretty well, and it's fit fairly well within the Ethereum ecosystem. I think the main reason for this is because Ethereum does allow very high volume and fast-paced transactions, which allows people to buy and sell and trade and do all these things at a much higher velocity than you could on Ethereum. Mainly because on Ethereum, the chain is a little bit slower, but also it's a lot more expensive. You may not be able to buy and sell in the position sizing increments that you would normally want to, just because cost is going to be a problem. Also, the reduction of costs is part of lowering a barrier to entry for some people on Solana, because if you're on Ethereum and you want to buy $10 of a meme coin, well, your gas fee to buy that $10 of a meme coin might also be $10. So it makes the returns not really make a whole lot of sense unless you're entering in a pretty decent size. So as we can see in terms of total market cap, though, of the top 10 coins, 4 of them are Solana. It should be this one, this one, this one, and this one. 4 of them are going to be Ethereum, which would be this one, this one, this one, and this one. One of them is their own chain, which is Dogecoin. And then one of them is on Base. So you could maybe count that as a 5th one on the Ethereum ecosystem if you want, but the other 4 are on the Ethereum network directly, not a layer 2. So that's kind of why I consider these a little bit different. But as you can see, between Doge, Shiba, and Pepe, these are, I would say, the majority, because if we look at the total market cap volume here, or the total market cap, we're at 36 billion. Just right here, this is about 25 billion worth of market cap. So everything else out of the top, aside from the top three, makes up about, the remaining 30% of the market. Now, what we can see is, some of the next ones down here are Solana coins, but even if you just look at the largest Solana coin, if it were to close the gap with Pepe, which is the next closest coin to it, it would need to about double in value. And then after that, to hit Shiba, it would probably need to be close to 4x in value, actually close to 5x. And then Dogecoin, it would need to about 10x in value. So this is just to say that while we have seen a lot of traction hit Solana thus far, we haven't seen some of these astronomical moves in some of the market caps that we have seen on Ethereum. I think part of that is because there's a lot more liquidity on Ethereum, but also some of this is holding over from the previous bull run, particularly with Doge and Shiba, because these were kind of the two meme coin sweethearts of the last bull run. So one thing that is a possibility, and one thing that I do think could contribute to Solana's ridiculous appreciation in price this bull run, would be the massive success of meme coins. Because if most of the meme coins are coming from Solana and all of the price action and attention is going into meme coins, then naturally all of that liquidity is going to flood into the Solana ecosystem, which could see ridiculous price appreciation both for the Solana coin itself, as well as all of the meme coins and various projects within the Solana ecosystem. So anyway, I just wanted to bring this up because this is something that I don't think a lot of people are talking about, and I do think it's something that we should really keep a close eye on, because if meme coins do end up being kind of the main narrative of this upcoming bull run, this could mean massive gains for Solana holders. So anyway, thank you for tuning into this video, and please do leave a like and subscribe. Also leave me any comments. I love reading the comments and hearing any feedback that you guys have for me. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.